Your brain is so energy hungry that although it makes up only about 2% of your body weight, it consumes around 20% of all the energy your body produces. That means every fifth calorie you eat literally goes to powering your brain. The brain doesn't feel pain, which is why neurosurgeons can operate on a brain while the patient is awake and even talking during surgery. The nerve endings responsible for sensing pain simply don't exist in the brain tissue itself, only around it. There are more neural connections in your brain than there are stars in our galaxy, and each one constantly transmits electrical signals at speeds up to 430 kilometers per hour. That makes your brain the fastest living computer in the universe that we know of. Every second, your brain processes millions of signals, yet it lets you consciously notice only a tiny portion to prevent mental overload. This is its way of protecting your awareness and maintaining your mental health. You can't remember the beginning of your life, not because something is wrong with you, but because an infant's brain simply hasn't yet learned to store long-term memories. This phenomenon is called childhood amnesia, and it affects every single person. Even while you sleep, your brain remains active, sorting memories, analyzing emotions, and even creating dreams to help you handle future situations better. In fact, some parts of the brain are more active at night than during the day. Your brain can physically change its structure throughout your life, a process called neuroplasticity, which allows you to learn, adapt, and even recover after injuries. This means your brain is never a finished product. It evolves every single day. Your brain automatically creates images when you read or hear stories, and these visualizations activate the same areas as real visual experiences. In other words, to the brain, imagination is nearly indistinguishable from reality. Your brain can trick you daily. You often see not what's really there, but what you expect to see. This is called a cognitive bias. That means we don't just perceive reality, we constantly rewrite it. When you focus, your brain shuts out background noise and filters excess information, as if pausing the world around you. And this requires intense effort. That's why after long concentration, you feel tired. Your brain has just done a massive job.